Stop. Please, stop. Wait! Stop! Please, stop!
You are the chosen one.
What? What are you talking about?
All the answers are with the fortune teller.
Who are you?
Take good care of yourself from this moment on.
Oh, it's just a dream. But why did it feel so real? This is my grandmother's necklace. What's its secret? Why did I see it in my dream? Who is the fortune teller? Oh, God, I need to find out the truth. I have to find out the truth about this necklace. An ancient Egyptian necklace? A royal symbol? Linked to the 18th dynasty. The 18th dynasty? Pharaoh Akhenaten. Fertiti? She disappeared, as if she never died. I don't know what to do. I'm lost. Oh my God! Please, answer the phone, Emily. I really need you.
Emyra? Are you okay?
I don't know.
What happened?
The dream, the necklace, the man.
What man?
I saw him outside my apartment. And last night, someone broke in.
What? Did you call the police?
No, I can't.
That's dangerous.
The strange thing is, nothing was stolen.
Emyra, this isn't normal. What are you gonna do now?
I'm going to Mexico.
Mexico? Why?
I'm going to see my grandmother.
Your grandmother?
The necklace. It belongs to her.
Wait, what necklace? I don't understand anything. We were talking about a mysterious man.
I know. It's complicated.
Are you crazy?
You're going to Mexico?
For a dream?
It's not just a dream. There's something... I feel something coming.
What about your job?
I won't start until next season.
Emyra, this is too much.
I promise. I'll tell you everything once I understand the truth.
Please, take care of yourself.
Thank you, Emily. I need to book the tickets now.
Bye.
Bye. The tickets from London to Mexico? They're really expensive. Shoes, done. Pants, done. Jacket, done. Socks, done. Money, done. Ticket, done. Passport? Here you go.
Your passport, please? Here's your passport.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Mexico. No turning back now.
passengers traveling to Mexico, please board now.
I'm going to find the truth.
¿Quieres una bebida?
I'm sorry, I don't speak Spanish.
No problem. Welcome.
This place feels alive. This is my grandmother's neighborhood.
My granddaughter, Emyra. You're here. You're really here.
Grandma, I missed you so much. I saw a man. Someone broke into my apartment. But the strange thing is, I saw the same man in my dream. I saw him twice. I know this means something. And the necklace, it was there too.
This necklace, Emyra, it is a family legacy. It changed the lives of everyone who carried it.
What do you mean?
I inherited it from my mother, and I gave it to you because even then, you were the one meant to receive it.
But why? In the dream, the man spoke about a seer. Who is the seer?
She is my grandmother.
Wait, you had a grandmother too? How old is she?
Her name is Ixchel, a true Maya name, a goddess linked to hope and life. She lives in solitude, and she loves a sacred drink called balche.
Balche? Balche?
It's a drink made from the bark of the balche tree.
So, how old is our seer?
200 years.
Perfect. Can we go see her?
We will go tomorrow. Even if your mother would be angry if she knew. Wake up, my dear. The bus will arrive in 1 hour. If we're late, we won't go today. It only comes once a day. I prepared this for you. Drink it.
Good morning, Grandma. What is this?
It has many uses and different ways of being prepared. It's necessary on a day like this.
Grandma, I feel good here. This place is simple and beautiful, like you. Grandma, what's happening here? Why is everyone closing their doors?
It's all right, my dear. They're just afraid. This village has a painful past.
What an isolated place. Does she even have neighbors?
No, my dear. The first grandmother is protected by the 5 spirits. She doesn't need neighbors. As I told you, she loves solitude, and she listens to her own spirit.
Okay.
We're getting close now. The first grandmother lives just beyond those trees.
She is here. Come closer.
I'm Emyra. I'm the daughter of...
I know who you are. The old blood has returned. Come closer. Let me see. Are you ready, Emyra?
I think I am, but ready for what?
Do not rush. You will know everything in its time. Haste is a sin. If you don't let it go, it will curse your path.
What is she making?
It's only the balche I gave you this morning, but with a special touch from the first grandmother. She is calling the sixth spirit.
Drink. What did you see?